Sending money within Japan can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the process of sending money from one location to another within Japan. First, you need to determine the method of transfer you want to use. The most common methods are bank transfer, convenience store transfer, and online transfer services. Bank transfer is a popular option as it is secure and reliable. Convenience store transfer is another option where you can send money from a convenience store like 7-Eleven or Family Mart. Online transfer services like Japan Net Bank or PayPay are also available. To send money via bank transfer, you need to have the recipient's bank account information, including the bank name, branch name, account type, and account number. You can then go to your bank's website or mobile app, or visit a bank branch in person. Fill out the transfer form with the required information and confirm the transfer. The funds will be deducted from your account and deposited into the recipient's account. For convenience store transfer, you need to visit a convenience store that offers this service. Fill out the transfer form with the required information, including the recipient's name and phone number. Pay the transfer amount and a small fee, and the store will give you a receipt. The recipient can then pick up the cash at a convenience store using the receipt number. Online transfer services are also a convenient option. You need to create an account with the service provider and link your bank account or credit card. Enter the recipient's information and the transfer amount, and confirm the transfer. The funds will be deducted from your account and deposited into the recipient's account. Regardless of the method you choose, make sure to check the transfer fees and exchange rates before sending the money. Also, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer amount and fees. In conclusion, sending money within Japan is a relatively simple process. By following these steps and choosing the right transfer method, you can securely and efficiently send money to anyone in Japan. Always check the fees and exchange rates, and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account before making a transfer.